Today, we talk about
one more for the flow of the dough. Hey, yo. So, dude, but we're here for this. So let's see what's going on. Let's open it. Okay. See if I can get this shit open. Nice box, but first... yeah. Anyway, okay, so here we go. Nice Adidas box. I haven't seen this style in a while. This looks like one of those old school Adidas boxes. Like I remember my first pair of soccer cleats coming in these. Next level with the threes. C black fit weight and C black 11. Boom. All right, so. Wow. Woo, actually, wow, these actually look way better in hand. Holy shit. I know a lot of people were clowning these, but it's pretty historic, man. I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, the very first completely laceless basketball sneaker. I wonder if there's any padding in here. Yeah. And then you got a little Adidas logo in there. Nice little pull tab. Some people were saying this feels very cheap. I don't know, man. I mean, you get the little embossing of the Adidas logo. Stitching seems pretty good, I gotta say. Yeah, this is cool. Like a little waffliness to it. Like a little styrofoaminess. I don't think there's boost in here, right? Could be wrong, but very interesting. Bottom here. And then Adidas there. I do love this like camo, winter camo, tigerized camo-ish with the herringbone pattern. Apparently the traction's pretty good on these. I'd have to test them out. Then you get the three stripes, 1, 2, 3. I like this over the other colorway because this provides a nice contrast of white along the mainly black core. Nice little mud guard, or not mud guard, what would you call this, toe guard-ish. Nice little pad into it. I don't know why my shit has been struggling to focus lately, but there you go. Is there a front tab on this thing too? Yeah, just a little stitching that says for Germany. There you go. Dope. You know what? Let's try them on. Why not? Huh? And what are those? Bruh. These are like a little snug to fit on, to be honest with you. But once they're on, they are on, my guy. I mean, I'll show you a few steps in these. And these are like a super snug NMD, to be honest with you. Like they fit on super snug. This is a true to size I got, and I got that much room in the toe. But it doesn't feel, like I definitely am glad I didn't go a half size up or a half size down. This feels pretty perfect. Get a little bop of the white. See, the contrast on here is so sick. These are actually a very good looking shoe to me. Definitely gonna be more of a lifestyle wear. I'm getting tired already, but I don't know. Can't tell what kind of look these are giving me. But the traction, obviously I can't test it out super well right now, but feels pretty good. I can feel these getting a little uncomfortable with the long day's wear, but clearly these are meant for performance, so I would highly advise as a good basketball shoe if you're looking for. Actually, why would you take my advice? I'm not even playing in these. It's been a minute. My cardio needs work. But with that said, hope you enjoyed the review. We'll see you next time. Peace.